This one is really old, guys. This one's like a year old. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Slimeatory. Alright, guys, so today I am going to be doing another subscriber slime package, but these ones, guys, these ones are old. They're from 2017. Usually, let me just tell you really quick what happens is you guys send me these packages, and then after I try and do as many as I can, but without like doing too many, and then more packages come, and then they mix, and then I just don't do them, and I get confused, and yeah. But anyways, I just want to mention that these packages mean a lot to me. I love them so much. You guys are the best. Literally, when I get a package or a fan mail, I just get so happy, and I just want to thank you guys so much. So yeah. And today's like button challenge is gonna be try to press the like button with you. What do we do? What should we do, guys? Do it with your knuckle. Any one of your knuckles right here. Just try to press the like button like that, and let's get straight on into the video. Yo. So this first one, guys, it's from Kaylee. So let's open this. This one was from October 21st, 2017. That is like so long, guys. It's crazy. Ooh, so she gave a stress ball. Well, not a stress ball. It's actually more like a squishy football, and it's really, really cool. And then there's some slime. She sent me a bracelet, a loci, I think they're called, loci bracelet. And then also a letter, and she put like little gemstones. That is just so cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and review the slime. So here's the slime, guys. It might be melted, guys, because this is like very, very old. I don't even know how long. It has been here for about 6 months. Let me think. That's almost like 6 months. Okay, it's like 5, 4, I don't know, but it's a long time, so this is probably gonna be melted. Whoa, it's actually pretty activated still. Do you see that, guys? Okay, so this is called unicorn poop, I think. Let me just go ahead and get some activator. Okay, so there's some activator, guys. So this, I think, is called unicorn poop, and yeah. I like this slime, but I feel like if it's unicorn poop, it should be like pink or something, or pink or blue. And also, I feel like there's a little too much shaving cream in it, but other than that, I think it's a really, really nice slime. I love how much glitter there is in it. It looks so pretty. For some reason, it's not activating. I think it's probably because it's like 6 months old, guys. This one is really, really old, so I think I have to add a lot of activator to it. Okay, well, that is it for this package. So thank you so much, Kaylee, for sending me this. This is really, really nice slime. Only thing I would change really is just like make it pink or blue, so it's like more unicornish, but that's it. This next one is from Elizabeth, guys, and this one is from October 12th, 2017. So this one's even older than the last one. Whoa, there is a lot. So I'm gonna open this one first. This one is called Christmas slime. Okay, so this one is melted, but it has been here for a while, like 6 months, guys. But it has so much glitter, guys. Look at it. It's literally got a glob of glitter. That one was really, really melted. It's like a year old almost. Okay, this one is called the Christmas slime, and it is clear, so I really, really like it. I love clear slime, guys. So let me just go ahead and activate that really quick. Okay, here it is, guys. Okay, this one is super, super like crackle-lacky and like kind of sizzly because of how much glitter there is in it. Okay, this one's really nice, guys. And it's also got some gold sequins in it. I love sequins, and it's just like in slime. It looks so cool. So that is it for that one. We gotta get through these ones quick because there's a lot of ones in this one. This next one, guys, is called purple slime. I don't know if it's called purple slime or if it's just like purple slime, but this one is purple slime, so yeah. Okay, so let's activate this one really quick. Okay, this one looks really nice. It looks really glossy, guys, and I love the color. I love pastel color, so this one is gorgeous. Okay, here it is, guys. Okay, I like this one a lot. I really like jiggly slimes in general, guys, so I like this one a lot, and I love the color and the texture. Okay, this one's really nice. This next one, guys, is called snowflake slime. So this one I'm gonna activate really quick. Okay, guys, here it is. This one I think is gonna be my favorite from all of them. Like, this one is so nice. I love the like little miniature foam beads. This one has mini foam beads, by the way, guys. And then also I love the color and the texture. I like foam in general, so this one's really, really nice. Okay, well, thank you so much, Elizabeth. Your slimes are amazing. I love this snowflake one. And yeah, I think that is it. Okay, next one. This next one is from Ian. I think it kind of sounds like a parent's name, but I don't know. This one is really old, guys. This one's like a year old. Okay, he sent me a fidget spinner. Some tattoos. Like, I love these tattoos, honestly, guys. Like, they're so awesome. Here are the 2 slimes, guys. This one is called Slimes, but I'm gonna open this one, and they got foam beads in them, yeah. So let's just go ahead and activate this one. Ooh, that one is thick. This one is thick. Okay, this one needs a lot of activator, guys. Okay, that one completely just ate up all the activator. Oh my god, this one is just not activating. It's like halfway activating. It's a really nice slime though, like it's really thick. Okay, I think I'm almost there, guys. Is this slime activatable? Because like, it's not activating, it's so weird. I think it's very, very slowly activating. Okay, I think I finally kind of activated it, so here it is. It's got a very interesting texture, and I know I say that about every one of them, but like, I don't know, you guys always make these like different textures that I've literally never felt. It's funny. This one is like super, I don't know how to explain it, like clicky and like thick, and it's really nice. Okay, so that is it for that one. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of activator in this one just so that it can kind of activate more because it still needs to be activated. Here's the next one. This one is called Oreo milkshake, guys. Ooh, it's clear. Well, kind of halfway clear. Ooh, this one's nice. Okay, here it is, guys. Okay, this one, I really like the texture. It's very clicky and very thick, and I love the glitter in it and all the foam beads and stuff, but I don't know. I'm trying to think. I like this slime, guys. I think it's really, really good. Only thing I would say is just, if it's gonna be like cookies and cream, I think it should be like a white glue base, you know? But I really like it. Like, it looks really nice. I like the glitter and like the foam beads. It looks really cool. So this next one, guys, is from Marianne. And this one is very old. It's like a year old too. This one I specifically remember because of the wrapping paper. Very cute. Okay, so she sent me this picture of slime in a heart. Okay, so she sent me some glue and some micro foam beads. Wait, what is this? Okay, so she sent me 3 like little slime kits, and this is so cool, guys. Okay, so here, let me just show you. She sent me like this child size Tide, and this is to activate the slime, I'm pretty sure. That's really cool. And then also a bag right here of micro foam beads and glue all. Some glue, shaving cream, and glitter glue, or just glitter, glitter paint. And then some glitter in this one, and some glue. Okay, so she sent me like 3 slime kits. This is so cool, guys. Like, I like this. Like, this little Tide bottle is so cool. Let me just go ahead and get a bowl really quick. Okay, so I think I'm gonna make the shaving cream the fluffy one because I love fluffy slime. Got some glue all. Okay, I'm just gonna put like half of the bottle because I'm putting shaving cream. So then we got some shaving cream. A tiny little shaving cream, by the way, guys. You know what's even better than shaving cream? A tiny shaving cream. I love tiny shaving creams. They're so cute. Okay, let's mix that. Let's put some of this glitter paint, just a little bit. Add that in there. Perfecto. Need a little bit more shaving cream though. And then some Tide. Miniature Tide. And that's good. Let's mix that up. Put a little bit more Tide. Almost done. Okay, I'm almost done, guys. Okay, I'm all done with this slime, guys. Here it is actually really, really pretty because it has like those plink glitters in it. Plink, I said plink. It looks really pretty, and yeah. Okay, this is like the coolest little slime kit I've ever got. Like, this is even better than the ones that I get from like the store. This is such a cool slime kit, but guys. Okay, well that is it. That was a really nice slime that I could review. I mean, I could review my own slime. I think it's nice. Yeah, I mean, I think I could add a little bit more color into it. Probably should add some more color into it, and yeah. Okay, well that is it, guys. I hope you liked today's video. These were very, very old slimes. I had them for so long. I probably have even more. If you guys want me to do another video on like year-old slimes, make sure you guys comment down below. And make sure you guys press that like button and subscribe. If, by the way, this is probably a little late, but if you don't know who the heck I am, I'm Ameerah. Hi, and make sure you press the subscribe button. I post videos every single day, and that is it, guys. Thank you so much, and I really hope to see you next time. Bye.